Hey guys, I'm Sam from the YouTube channel Prep Medic, and in this video we're going to be discussing why you need to be carrying a trauma kit and why it's important to be trained in how to use it. In the United States, which is one of the most, if not the most developed country in the world, the average ambulance response time is between 5 and 15 minutes. If you're riding motorcycles in back country roads, mountain roads, you name it, that response time is going to be closer to 30 minutes. Unfortunately, it only takes about 5 minutes for permanent brain damage to occur in the event of cardiac arrest, and it only takes about 4 minutes to bleed out of a femoral artery in case of a laceration. So it is vital that you know how to do CPR, breathe for somebody, and how to stop major bleeding at a moment's notice. Even minor wound care items might be the difference between you being able to ride out of your situation back to civilization and being stuck on the side of a road for a prolonged period of time. While most medical equipment can be improvised, such as tourniquets and wound packing, when we get injured or see somebody else injured and become stressed out, our ability to critically think and our fine motor skills diminish substantially.
Oh my God, this is happening.
Which is why it's good to have a commercial kit with staged items inside of it that are ready to go at a moment's notice. The time it'll take you to cut a shirt, find a stick for a windlass, and tighten a tourniquet may be the difference between life and death in a severe bleed scenario. If you want to learn more about medical care and first aid items as it relates to motorcycle riding, check out the other videos in this series. If you want to take a deeper dive into EMS, I can be found at Prep Medic on YouTube and Prep_Medic on Instagram.